No, I did not. No, I did not. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the third and final look using the Natasha Denona Mini Love Story palette. But actually today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different because we're going to be following a Natasha Denona makeup tutorial. So earlier today, she posted on her stories like a follow along tutorial on how to use this mini palette. And I actually want to recreate it, so let's get started. I was gonna put it right here on the side, but I don't want there to be a copyright issue, which I don't see how it could be, but just in case, my most recent favorite type of eye look, she's doing a mini love story halo eye makeup look, and it's a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so the first shade that she's taking is the deep purple. And she's putting this where normally a halo eye would begin. So in the outer corner. I feel like I should have done this with a smaller brush. You know what? I'm gonna use this ABH one. It's a little bit smaller, but it's still a flat shader. She said to put this shade in the outer corner. And then in the inner corner. I love this brush for this. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. And now for the next step, she's doing the same thing in the lower lash line. I look very grungy right now. She's taking R, which is the lighter purple right here, and blending out the edges of the darker purple. Usually the way I like to do it, and I find easiest, is to lay down the transition shade first. But we are following her tutorial, and maybe it comes out better because she's an actual makeup artist. Okay, that looks pretty blended already. I washed my hair last night, so it's like super fresh and the curls are very tight. Okay, it's looking really nice. It's just taking a little long. Oh, okay, I missed a step. So she's actually going all the way in, like with the darker purple, she is going right into that inner corner, which I never do. I feel like that my eyes are too little for me to close them up in this area, but if I remember correctly, she's gonna use a highlight shade in here after. She is actually putting Love, which is this beautiful metallic pink, and she's putting it right here, right in the center of the crease, which is really interesting. I've never done that before. Like, she's just blending it right here. Not on the lid, just right here. Just gonna place it for now. That looks really awesome, actually. She's taking True, and she's putting it, she's not blending out the bottom side. She's just going in here. She said to put it around the tear duct area. That purple though in the inner corner kind of just ate that shade up. Should have just kept it clean, just, you know, for me to change it up a little bit. Oh, she goes pretty far in. With her finger, she's taking U and she's pressing it in to the center of the lid. I like this because I already wanted to make a tutorial using all 5 shades. So this is really nice, just following this step by step. That looks really pretty. She's actually blending it into that pink up here. She's taking R and blending the sides. Very glittery. She's finally blending out the lower lash line, which I'm kind of happy about. I thought we were gonna skip that part. And then I actually saw that she took True and put it on the rest of the lower lash line, which I don't know why we didn't do it sooner. She went a little bit more intense than I did with True. Ooh, so I am too. I just don't understand why we had to put that dark shade right there still. It seemed like she used a light pink nude shade to line her lips. Wait, but did she already? We're just gonna follow what she's doing right now. Can't get over how soft this lipstick is. She put that highlight all over her cheek. Like, all right here. I'm not sure I'm down for that. But I am down for some blush. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. And also, was she wearing lashes? I am so confused. No, she's not wearing any lashes. It just looks like she has a lot of mascara on. So that's what I'm gonna do. Well, we'll see how it looks. If I need to add lashes, then I'll add lashes. Since she went really hard with the highlighter, I feel like I wanna do the same. Maybe not bring it all the way down like she did. Some of the little hearts are disappearing already. It's only been 3 days. The more I stare at my eye look right now, the more I like it. No, I did not. No, I did not. Wow, I can't believe I just did that. Okay, this is the third and final look using the mini love story collection. I hope you guys enjoyed all 3 looks. I absolutely love this look. I'm glad I decided to follow a Natasha Denona makeup tutorial because I don't think I could have come up with this myself. It's very pretty, very sultry for sure. She didn't actually use the cream blush, not that I saw, but I decided to use it because I just love blush. I did go a little heavier with the highlight because I feel like the eyes are so intense. My face just needed a little something more. And obviously the lipstick is just gorgeous. I love it. It's a great nude to say the least. I think this was such a good purchase, at least for me. The packaging is super cute, but not only that, the products are actually really good as well. I literally have 0 bad things to say about this mini collection. Also, for those of you that are used to the 3 looks 1 palette format, I will be combining the past 3 looks that I've posted on my channel into just one video, just in case you want to watch them all in just one video in one sitting. The video is going to be a little bit longer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you guys tomorrow.